Established in 2004, Fully Hong Electronics Company Limited, which located in the Global Electronics Industry Center, Shenzhen City, China, is a professional, efficient, and reliable electronic manufacturing service provider. Now it has a production plant area of 10,800 square meters and a professional team of 350 people. Fully Hong can provide one-stop high-end manufacturing services such as PCB fabrication, component sourcing, SMT and through-hole assembly, IC programming, conformal coating, box build, and related various tasks. We can manufacture from single layer to 30 layers PCBs including aluminum-based PCB, standard FR4 rigid PCB, FPC, rigid flex PCB. Our products are widely used in industrial control, aerospace, medical instrument, automotive, security and safety, IoT, and AI fields. Fully Hong has 9 SMT lines, 4 deep lines, and 12 assembly lines. SMT production line is equipped with international advanced machines, such as fully automatic loader, soda paste printer, SPI, high-speed and multifunctional mounter, reflow oven, and online AOI. DIP lines and assembly lines equipped with wave soda, automatic soda machine, conformal coating instrument. Intelligent warehouse has smart shelves, X-ray counter, temperature and humidity control system. Fully Hong also has other advanced inspection equipments, such as intelligent first article inspection, automatic X-ray inspection, BGA rework station, 3D inspection microscope. Our company has obtained ISO 9001 and ISO 14001, IATF 16949 certificate, and strictly implemented to ensure that all processes are under strict control. Fully Hong establishes ERP, MES, and CRM and other information management systems to ensure quick response, good communication, and shorter delivery time. We have a full-fledged and energetic team of engineers to ensure that we can handle difficult and high-precision PCBA projects and provide tailored solutions by understanding and integrating customer needs. We only purchase components for renowned manufacturers or authorized distributors such as Arrow, Future, WPD, TI, ADI, etc. This allows us to obtain qualified components in a short time at a competitive price. Fully Hong has won the trust and cooperation of hundreds of customers with its price manufacturing capability, excellent quality, competitive price, and prompt delivery service. We adhere to the market-oriented and quality-centered business philosophy. We have been being conscientious, dedicated to make each piece of PCB and PCBA products. You can count on us to meet you one-stop electronics manufacturing demands. Fully Hong look forward to cooperating with you and welcome to visit our factory to coach our work.